Hello friends, I love to save money and I'm sure you do too. What if you could earn cashback on your online purchases? You are shopping as usual, just hitting one extra button. I will show you how you can earn cashback on anything you buy online on your favorite online stores. How can you do it? Getting cashback is just like counting 1, 2 and 3. You need to create your free account on Hogwire using your mobile or desktop or laptop. You can use your email to sign up, or you can also log in using your Facebook account. After successfully joining the cashback community, search your favorite store in search bar. On the shopping website, shop as you normally do. The cashback will record it on your Hogwire dashboard after your purchase, and same can be transferred to your bank or PayPal account. Moreover, it is great to know that you will get $5 bonus amount on your sign up if you are joining first time on this website. Once you have confirmed cashback of $20, then you can transfer it as I told you earlier. Not only shopping, you can get cashback on your flight booking, your hotel booking, online product purchases, digital payments, and many more like this. So what are you waiting for? Join world's leading cashback community today.